Everybody. I wasn't able to come live yesterday, and I was thinking about what I wanted to teach you today. Okay, so I'm going to do this in English first, and then I'm going to do it in ASL, okay? Because I don't do at the same time very well. So I have been recovering from COVID, some of you might know, and I thought, I would like to share with you a pose that I've been doing that helps recover energy, right? So it's very relaxing, and it's, many of you know this pose, but I'm going to show you some a little bit different things about it. Child's pose. So, or Adho Mukha Virasana. So my knees are apart and I'm sitting on my heels. If this is not possible for you, this pose can be done in a chair, and I will show that. If this is not possible for you, then you sit in a chair and you bend forward onto another chair, okay, or a table. If your buttocks is really high up in the air, you can put some blankets underneath. But if this doesn't, your knees can't take this, then you sit on a chair, right? So you're sitting on a chair, your legs are, feet are, separated, and then you bend forward, okay? Now, I'm bringing two bolsters up here, and I'm going to show you why. I lift up and bring my abdomen on top of it. I want to have the bolster receive me. Okay, and I actually need a little bit more of a blanket. So let me go get one. Luckily, I'm in my friend's studio, so I have lots of props. So you want to build this up. I'm bringing it a little bit closer, the top one a little closer, lifting my belly up. So my whole back is supported. So I want you to see how relaxed. Oh, it's so nice. And the difference is if I was going to go down and plop myself down. Now, this is not bad, but it's a little straining. It's not as restful to my lungs. It has another purpose. And this certainly is not helpful at all. So how you use these props, how you feel your own body supported is important. And sometimes in life, we need to take support. And it's important to know if that support is helpful to you or not. So right now I'm feeling like I want my lower back a little bit more support. I'm going to bring this back and lift so I get more spread across my lower. So I'm specifically using the bolster to help me. Right. So now, because someone asked me to do more in sign, I'm going to, so Thanks for watching today's tip. Any questions? Please send me a DM or a message. And I'll see you next week.